All right, if you're a trader, you know this feeling. You're staring at the charts, and it feels like you're in this constant battle, right? Like it's you against this massive, unpredictable thing we call the market. But what if I told you the battle isn't with the market at all? What if the real opponent is staring back at you in the mirror? Let's really dig into what that means. This right here, this is everything. The amateur trader is obsessed with the outside world. They're constantly asking, what's the secret indicator? What's the perfect strategy to beat the market? They're chasing their tails. But the pro? Oh, the pro knows that's a dead end. They ask a totally different question, a much more powerful one. They turn their focus inward. And here's the fundamental, brutal truth of this game. You have exactly zero control over where the price is going next. None. Zilch. What you do have, though, is absolute 100% control over how you react to it. And listen, that isn't just some feel-good quote. That is your only real sustainable edge.
So, okay, how do we actually use that edge? Well, it all starts by completely rewiring how you think about the one thing every single trader is terrified of: loss. We're about to unpack the real secret to never losing, and I guarantee you it's not what you're thinking.
Okay, let this one sink in for a second. See, there are two completely separate events here. The first is just a financial outcome. A trade closes for less money. It's a number. But the second event, that's the internal one. That's the emotional gut punch, the frustration, the I'm gonna get my money back revenge trade. The first one is just the cost of doing business. The second one, that's a choice.
Let's go even deeper. The market doesn't hand you a thing called a loss. It doesn't know you exist. It just produces outcomes. Price goes up, price goes down. That's it. It's our own mind that instantly slaps a label on it, judges it, and builds this whole painful story around it. The loss, the way we actually feel it, is something we create entirely in our own heads.
And this is so important. Think about it. A financial hit to your account, you can recover from that. But the damage you do when you lose your discipline, when you shatter your confidence, when you let your emotions take the wheel, that can be catastrophic. That's what leads to blowing up accounts.
So what is that pain we feel? If it's not just about the money, what is it? It's the ego taking a punch, plain and simple. We had a thesis, we were sure we were right, and the market just looked at us and said, nope. What really stings isn't the dip in our account balance. It's the shattering of that fragile illusion that we were in control.
Okay, so if we're the ones creating this painful experience of loss, the big question is, how do we stop? The answer is a skill. It's a skill that the absolute best in the world have mastered, and it's called detachment. This is the whole key to moving from a knee-jerk reaction to a calm, disciplined response.
And here's where you see it play out. The amateur trader's self-worth is completely changed to their P&L. A green day, they're a trading god. A red day, they're a total failure who should just quit. It's an insane emotional roller coaster that makes consistency impossible. The pro, on the other hand, has cut that chain. Their success isn't defined by one outcome. Success is just following the plan. The outcome? It's just feedback. It's data. Nothing more.
Let's get really practical with this. Here's the mental playbook. A trade goes against you and it closes. You feel that heat rise in your chest, that of frustration. Right there, that's the moment of power. You have to consciously hit the pause button, take a breath, detach yourself from the outcome, and then you ask the single most productive question a trader can ask. Okay, what is this trying to teach me? You immediately reframe it from a painful event into a priceless lesson.
And you know what? Every single time you do that, you're making a deposit, not into your brokerage account, but into something way more valuable, your psychological account. Everyone's obsessed with compounding money, but it's your discipline, your emotional control, your resilience, that is the capital that truly compounds and builds a career that can last a lifetime.
Now this brings us to the next massive mental shift. Because all this stuff about detachment is nearly impossible to do if you're stuck in what I call the certainty trap. To really break free from outcomes, you have to stop trying to be right and you have to start thinking in probabilities. Just let that marinate for a second. Our craving to know what's going to happen next, it's not a strategic need, it's an emotional one. It comes from the ego, which is absolutely terrified of being wrong. But in a world of pure probability, trying to find certainty is a guaranteed losing strategy. You can spot the difference in these two traders from a mile away. The one stuck in the certainty trap is always hesitating. They're afraid to pull the trigger, or they cut winners way too early, terrified it'll turn around. But the trader with a probability mindset, they're like a casino.
They know they'll lose individual hands. It doesn't even faze them. They are focused on making sure their edge plays out over hundreds of trades. So they act calmly and they act decisively.
So here's the bottom line, and it's a big one. You have to free yourself from the pressure of having to predict anything. The market couldn't care less about your predictions. It doesn't pay you for being right. It pays you for being disciplined over and over and over again. That's it.
So let's bring all these pieces together. Once you redefine what loss means to you, you start practicing detachment, and you truly learn to think in probabilities. You arrive at the final, most powerful realization of all. The market is nothing more than a giant mirror.
That's right. Those charts, those flashing numbers, they are not your enemy. They are a perfectly neutral canvas. The fear you feel when a position goes against you, that's your fear. The greed you feel when it's ripping in your favor, that's your greed. It's all coming from inside you. The market is just reflecting your own inner state right back at you.
And oh man, is it a ruthless mirror. It doesn't pull any punches. It will find every single one of your weaknesses. If you're impatient, it will test you. If you're arrogant, believe me, it will humble you. It's the greatest teacher of self-awareness on the planet, but the tuition can be incredibly high.
So the goal is not to become a robot and feel nothing. That's impossible. The goal is to cultivate the awareness to notice that emotion bubbling up and to create a tiny space, just a split-second pause between that feeling and clicking the mouse. In that gap, that's where you find your control. That's where professional traders are made.
And when you learn to live in that gap, when you master this inner game, everything starts to click. When you finally, truly stop letting the result of one trade define your worth, you become free. Free to just execute your plan without all that heavy emotion and hesitation weighing you down.
And when you stop being terrified of loss, when you stop taking it as a personal failure and see it as simple feedback, you finally start to really learn. And here's the beautiful paradox. When every single outcome is a chance to learn, you can't lose anymore. The whole concept just evaporates. You either win or you learn.
Because in the end, that's the whole game. The strategies, the indicators, the news, that's all just the toolbox. The real work, the true victory, is inside you. Master yourself, and you'll find that mastering the market is just the natural result.